winter. A season of crackling fireplaces, snow-dusted trees and frosty mornings. But what if this year, instead of staying put, you embraced adventure and made the most of it? Today we're diving into last-minute winter getaways, the escapes that turn cold days into unforgettable memories. And the best part? It's not too late to plan your dream winter adventure. Whether you're chasing powdery ski slopes, serene cabins in the woods, or sunlit beaches to escape the chill, we've got you covered. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end. We're sharing insider tips that will save you money, time, and stress. Ready? Let's go. Picture this. You wake up in the heart of a winter wonderland. Snowflakes fall softly outside your window, blanketing the world in a pristine, untouched white. The air is crisp and quiet, almost reverent, as if nature itself is holding its breath. You pull on your warmest sweater, shuffle into the living room, and find the fireplace already roaring, its glow filling the space with warmth and comfort. The smell of freshly brewed coffee mingles with the woody aroma of the fire, inviting you to settle in with a steaming mug and your favorite book. Your cabin, perched in a secluded pocket of natural beauty, is your sanctuary. No emails, no deadlines, just the soothing rhythm of nature. You've traded the hum of city life for the crackle of the fire and the occasional whisper of wind through the pines. This is where time slows down, where every moment feels like a deep breath for the soul. Destinations like Vermont's Green Mountains or Colorado's Estes Park are tailor-made for these magical getaways. These regions offer a blend of rustic charm and serene landscapes, with countless cabins tucked away in picturesque locations. Think cozy wooden interiors, large windows showcasing breathtaking views, and outdoor hot tubs perfect for stargazing on frosty nights. And here's a little insider tip. Many vacation rentals slash their rates for last-minute bookings, making this dream escape even more accessible. Apps like Airbnb or Vrbo are your best friends here. Simply filter your search for last-minute discounts, and you might just stumble upon a hidden gem at a fraction of the usual price. Bonus tip, pack smart. Bring along fluffy socks, your favorite blanket, and a selection of comfort foods. Stock up on hot cocoa, mulled wine, or even ingredients for a DIY s'mores night. And don't forget to download a few movies or playlists in case the weather calls for an extra snug day indoors. So what's stopping you? Whether it's a solo retreat, a romantic escape, or a family adventure, the Cozy Retreat is waiting to embrace you in its tranquil arms. Your winter story starts here. Maybe lounging by a fire isn't your idea of the perfect winter escape. Maybe you crave something more thrilling, where the chill in the air sharpens your senses and every moment feels alive with possibility. Welcome to the exhilarating world of winter sports and outdoor adventures, where snowy landscapes transform into your personal playground. Imagine this. You step out of your cabin, the crisp mountain air filling your lungs as the morning sun glimmers off freshly groomed trails. Your gear is ready, your heart is pounding, and the call of the slopes is irresistible. Whether you're a seasoned skier carving your way down double black diamonds or a first-timer taking it slow on the bunny slopes, there's nothing like the rush of gliding over powdery snow. Destinations like Whistler in Canada or Jackson Hole in Wyoming are the meccas of winter sports, buzzing with energy and activity. Picture snow-capped peaks stretching as far as the eye can see, chairlifts humming with eager adventurers, and après-ski lounges waiting to reward your efforts with warm drinks and stunning views. But here's the best part. You don't have to be a skiing or snowboarding pro to enjoy these magical winter destinations. There's a world of activities to explore. Snowshoeing. For those who prefer a slower pace, strap on a pair of snowshoes and trek through serene, snowy forests. It's an easy-to-learn activity that lets you soak in the natural beauty while giving you a workout you won't forget. Ice climbing, feeling bold. Test your mettle on frozen waterfalls or icy cliffs. Guided tours are available for beginners, offering a thrilling and unique perspective on winter landscapes. Dog sledding. Channel your inner explorer and experience the timeless joy of being pulled through the snow by a team of eager huskies. It's an adventure straight out of a storybook. Tubing and sledding. Who says adrenaline can't be playful? Grab a tube, find a hill, and let gravity do the work. It's pure, unfiltered fun for all ages. Snowmobiling. Rev up your engines and explore backcountry trails with speed and style. Snowmobiling offers a mix of adrenaline and awe-inspiring scenery. Pro tips for your adventure. 1. Gear up. Many resorts offer rentals, but if you're heading out frequently, investing in your own equipment can be worth it. 1. Don't forget warm, waterproof layers and quality gloves. 2. Lessons for beginners. Ski towns are packed with expert instructors ready to help you find your footing, literally. 3. Off-peak perks. For smaller crowds and better deals, hit the slopes midweek or during off-peak hours. 4. Après-ski fun. Make sure to save time for the après-ski scene. Think cozy lodges, live music, an indulgent hot cocoa, or something stronger. No matter how you choose to embrace the season, winter adventures are about more than the adrenaline rush. They're about connecting with nature, pushing your boundaries, and creating unforgettable memories with every glide, climb, or run. Quick question, what's your winter adventure dream? Skiing? Snowboarding? Or maybe sledding like you're a kid again? Comment below and let us know. We'll feature the best answers in our next video. Not everyone loves the cold. If you're craving sunshine and sandy toes, a tropical escape might be your perfect getaway. Destinations like the Florida Keys, Cancun, or even the Caribbean are surprisingly accessible for last-minute travelers. Airlines often release discounted seats close to departure dates, and resorts love filling up empty rooms. Hot tip: use tools like Google Flights or Hopper to find last-minute airfare deals. Look for flights midweek and pack light to avoid baggage fees. For the culturally curious, winter is the perfect time to explore. From Vienna's enchanting Christmas markets to Japan's snow festivals, the world comes alive in unique ways during this season. The best part? Travel during the holidays can feel like stepping into another world. Pro tip: use travel aggregator sites like Skyscanner to find package deals that bundle flights and hotels. Have you ever experienced a winter festival abroad? Share your story in the comments. We'd love to hear your favorite moments. Let's talk about the elephant in the room: budget. Last-minute trips can feel expensive, but they don't have to be. Here are 3 hacks to save big on your winter getaway. Be flexible with dates and destinations. This opens up more options for deals. Sign up for alerts. Platforms like Expedia and Kayak can notify you of sudden price drops. Think off the beaten path. Smaller, lesser-known destinations often offer big savings and fewer crowds. Winter is calling, and adventure awaits. Whether you're sipping cocoa in a cozy cabin, carving slopes, or basking on a sunlit beach, there's a getaway with your name on it. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, seize the moment, and make this winter unforgettable. Which getaway spoke to your heart? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, safe travels.